Spring is in the full bloom, as we know, guys, and I couldn't resist bringing in some fresh color into my guest bathroom. Today I'm sharing how I give the space a light, airy refresh using Tiffany blue, soft pink, and some greenery for both Easter and spring. I chose Tiffany blue to be the base color, and it feels fresh, clean, and luxurious. And I paired it with soft pink for a gentle pop of color. So before we jump into the fun part, which is spring and Easter decorating, we are going to give everything a good scrub and deep clean, from the bathtub, the mirrors, the countertop, and the toilet. It's all about creating a blank canvas, guys. Resetting, spring is all about renewal, and this step sets the tone. So everything feels fresh and ready for a new season, and also makes the place feel brand new. Okay guys, welcome back once again to another inspiring and motivating video. As always, thank you all so much to my returning subscribers. I love you all to the moon and back. And to my new subbies, I love you all too, and thanks for being a part of this amazing family. Thank you all for stopping by. So on this channel, we share tips, hacks, some DIYs, and we design with luxury but affordable and budget-friendly ideas. So if this spark your interest, then you are in for a treat. I'm going to leave you guys at this point, okay, to enjoy the music until we are done decorating. Thank you once again, guys, for stopping by. And now let's get into the video.
I can never repay you for all you are and all you've done for me. I couldn't thank you enough. My worship could never measure how I feel. So I'll be an offering at the potter's wheel. I give you my life. I offer my best, a sacrifice. Whatever you ask, morning and night, and every hour that shall pass, it's yours to have and hold, to mold and shape. Lord, fill this place. So fill this place. Fill this place. I am a vessel born of your clay. Lord, fill this place. unchangeable. There's no sickness that is unhealable, and no one that is unlovable. There's no sin that's unforgivable, no season that is unchangeable. There's no sickness that is unhealable, no one that is unlovable. So now to Him who is able to do more than I am. Yes, you are. Could hope for. I give you, have your way and work within me. So now to Him who is able to do more than I ever could hope for. I give you permission, Lord, have your way, be at work within me. Together we win, we win, we win, we win. Oh, you're more than able. We
I also made a few changes to the floating shelves just to tie in the Easter theme, which you guys will see in the overall video. I added this adorable bunny basket and a few ceramic bunnies, which brings in a playful touch without being too much for that soft, classic and seasonal Easter look.
I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow.
And that wraps up our spring and Easter bathroom refresh, guys. From a deep clean to these soft Tiffany blue and pink accents, and of course a few sweet bunnies. I love how light and fresh everything feels now. I hope this gave you guys some ideas and inspiration for your own space. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more luxury budget home decorating ideas. Click on the bell notification 2 times, comment and share. And until I see you in the next one, guys, please always remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I love you all always. Bye bye for now.